viewers, welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how to talk about an event that began in the past and continues into the present? Two of the most common prepositions of time are for and since. In this video, we will learn how to use prepositions for and since. Let's move on. Consider the following sentences. I have been teaching for 3 years. I have been teaching since 2016. Why you should use for in the first sentence and since in the second sentence. Let's know more about it. Where do you use for? The preposition for is used to talk about an amount of time or space. The amount of time could be seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, or even years. The amount of time does not need to be exact. For example, for the weekend, for a month, or for a year. Here you can notice there is no precise time mentioned. The important point is that for is used to specify a period of time. Usage of since. We use since to refer to a point of time. Since can refer to a point after a specific time or event in the past. Or it can refer to a particular point beginning sometime in the past and continuing until the present time. Example being since last month, since 2010, since midnight. The important point is that since is used with a particular point in time. We need to remember few points while using the prepositions for and since. For can be used with all tenses. All tenses means past, present and future tense. Do not use for with all day, all the time. Example, I was there all night. We cannot frame a sentence as I was there for all night. Since is normally used with perfect tense. The perfect tense is a verb tense which is used to show that an action has taken place once or many times before now. Since can also be used in the structure. It is a period can be mentioned when you are using the since. Example being, I was a year since I had seen her. Let's frame few sentences. We have been playing cricket for 20 years. So here it is mentioned as 20 years, but from which year is not specifically told. He has lived in Sweden for a long time. It was a year since we haven't met each other. Since you invited, I will come for lunch today. How long is it since you have got shifted to India? He is on leave since Monday. Every day I study for 2 hours. Hope you are clear with today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos. Also drop your comments in the comment section. Have a nice day.